Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another character from Star Wars. This time it's gonna be the Jawas. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one's very easy to draw. To begin, we're gonna start out with the inside of the hoodie first. So just start at the top, just one curve, and then we'll kind of slant down a little bit more on the sides. And then round off the bottom. Okay, and then once you have that, let's just go ahead and draw in the eyes inside so we know where we are. Okay, so it's kind of far apart. And then after this, we'll draw the outside of the hoodie. So it's pretty much the same curve as this. I'll just start out on the top. And it's supposed to be cloth, so it can be a little bit wobbly. So make it flow a little bit more. And then on this part here, just come back toward the center. Alright, so that's the overall shape, and now let's add in some more lines so that we can kind of make it look like a cloth folding over. So we'll start out on the bottom right here. On this curve, I'm just going to continue up like this. And then on the bottom here. And then right here, I'll just add one little crease. Okay, and then on the top here, I'm going to add in just a little kind of like a sharper peak right here on the top. Back of the hoodie. Okay, and if you want, you can add in maybe even some more lines. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the head. So now for the body, and the body is very easy as well. So we just come right around here, just come down, leave a little bit of space, make a little point. Now we just come down, so this is going to be all the way down to his waist. And then from here, just come back up here. Just gonna draw like a little hook first. This is gonna be, I guess, his shoulder, his arms coming down. So just come up. And then now we'll finish up the details inside. So there's not much, it's just basically two little straps across his body. So I'll start on the bottom right here. Okay, so these two little points. Just gonna draw one curve, just connect them. And then come about right here. So same slant, so that's gonna be one strap. And then the other one's gonna be behind, so going this way. So I'll start in the corner again. I'm gonna aim toward this corner right here. Okay, and then just one more, going back up, and we won't see the other side under there. Okay, and then in here, let's just add in some. It's got some pouches here. So just drawing two lines and then one little curve. Okay, let's draw in one more. I know there's a bunch of them, but we'll simplify it. So I'm just gonna draw two. Okay, and we can add in a little line here just to make it a little bit more complicated. Alright, so before we draw in the arms, we're going to draw in the side of the rope here first. So we'll just go all the way down. Just kind of flare out. So you won't see his legs. And then go back to the middle here. I'm going to draw one curve coming down. Just past these two. And then now for the bottom. Curve. And we'll try to make it kind of folding in a little bit. So I'm going to go up first. And then whatever space you have here, just turn it and connect those. Okay, and we can actually draw in the same thing here. So we can stop here first. Just come down past that line and then just connect those. Okay, and then we can add in some folds here. Alright, so now we can draw in his arm. So right on the curve right here, there's gonna be more folding. So I'm just gonna come down, draw like a little wavy line, and just come into the body. So same thing here. Just a curve, come all the way down. Alright, and then for his hand, we'll probably just show the fingertips here. So right here, that's gonna be his thumb. And then for his other finger, just turn it and go back up. Okay, so let's try that again. One little bump here and then one more. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the body, and let's add in the cool little blaster that they use in the movies. So right here, I'm just gonna draw in the tip right here. So just right behind the back, just one rectangle. And then now we'll extend this. Just kind of come in. And then for the muzzle, it's gonna flare out. So just make it wider and then close it off. And let's just add in a little bit more detail right on the tip here. It's just like a little bar with rounded corners. Okay, and right here, let's add one line. And then one more detail on the bottom here. Just come down and just go into the body. And that is it for this Jawa from Star Wars. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.